This is the mth term of an AP is 1 over n and its nth term is 1 over n. Then we need to show that mnth term is 1. Now applying the formula of an, we can say that mth term will be what? A plus m minus 1d, and which is given as 1 over n here. And similarly, it's given that the nth term is 1 over n. So we can say that the nth term will be a plus n minus 1d is equal to 1 over m. Now simplifying this part, that we can write this as what? A plus md minus d equals 1 over n. That's opening the bracket. And similarly from here we can say that this is a plus nd minus d is equal to 1 over m. Now subtracting these two equations, this is minus minus plus and then minus, we can see that a and a get cancelled, even d and d get cancelled. So we can write this as what? This is, if I take d as common, we can write m minus n times d. On this side we have 1 over n minus 1 over m. Now we can write this as m minus n times d equals, on taking LCM on this side, we get what? This is m minus n over mn. Now we can even reduce this m minus n and m minus n get cancelled. So we get d as how much? 1 over mn. So once we get the value of d in this case, now we can obtain the value of a by placing this in any of this equation. Let's say if I place this value over here, like in this equation, that is equation 1, I'm going to place. So from this equation, we say a is a plus m minus n times d, and d is what? 1 over mn. So I can write mn over here, which is equal to 1 over n. Now further, on simplifying this, that means I can write this as m over mn minus 1 over mn equals 1 over n. So here m get cancelled. Now we are left with 1 over n here, and there is a 1 over n here that can be reduced. So we can even, this is 1 over n and this is 1 over n. So they get cancelled. That results to give you, on transposing this to the other side, we get a as 1 over mn. So this is, we got the value of a. Now we have to get the value of mnth term. Now we have to get the value of mnth term as 1. So applying this formula, we can say that a mn should be what? A plus mn minus 1d. Now replacing this value, a, which is what? We know the value of a as this, that is 1 over mn plus, this is mn minus 1 times d, and d is what? 1 over mn. So I can write mn as over here. Now on simplification, let's see what we are getting. This is mn divided by mn. So let's write off. This is mn over mn and plus, no, there is a minus, minus 1 over mn. So we can see that here mn gets reduced. This gets reduced to be 1, and this get cancelled. So we get this as 1 as the answer. So this is what we need to prove, that the mnth term is 1.